Okay, okay, little bit. The beautiful fish, nicely fried with chili, just too good. Wow. When the papucharu with the less spices sambar is getting cooked, fish finger is again another favorite of mine, but with this you want to have a charu. This is kind of a sambar but without much masalas. I've got fish, and fish you can just cut it finger size. Marinating the fish for the fish finger is also very easy. Add salt, turmeric, some chili powder, some pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, little bit of cumin powder, little bit of coriander powder. Mix all of this together. Whatever the moisture that is there in the fish will be absorbed by these masalas. And we can fry these fish fingers two ways. One is pan fry and the other one is a deep fry. So whichever way you like, you can do it. If you are doing deep fry, then do not add any oil. And also, if you are going to fry it right away, you can also add some lemon juice. But do not add lemon juice if you are going to fry it like after 3-4 hours, because the fish meat is very delicate. As I told you, this is kind of everyday sambar for us. So we don't add much masalas. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, add red chili, cumin seed. You can add little bit of garlic as well as sliced onion. Not too much, very little of sliced onion. When the onions are slightly sauteed, add curry leaf, turmeric, hing, and also we are going to add the drumstick. In this, add water. Let this drumstick cook till they are almost 50% done. After like 7 minutes of cooking, you will start getting the flavor. In this, we are going to add tomatoes, some coriander powder, and also chili powder. In this, add tamarind juice. Once again, bring this to boil. You have to understand how the tamarind works. When it is raw, it has got sourness. But when it is cooked for some time, a sweet flavor will come along with that sourness, which is very tasty. Now add dhal. This is thuvar dal that has been boiled till it is nice and soft. Everything added in this, we are going to add some salt to taste, and once again bring this to boil. The tomatoes have to become mashy and the drumsticks have to be perfectly cooked. In the last, we are going to add some coriander leaves and also adjust the seasoning. At home, what we do is we put it on a slow flame, let it simmer for at least 15-20 minutes. That's when the aroma will start improving. So this is good. We are going to add some coriander leaf now and some later, and let it slowly simmer. Take the fish pieces you want to deep fry. So we are going to shallow fry the other one. In this, add little bit of flour, the all-purpose flour, or you can even use rice flour. Roll it little bit and leave it. So this one will ensure that the masala will not come out and it will be perfect. Whenever we do this at home, especially the fingers, I do this technique. Let it sit for 1-2 minutes and then we will fry. Medium hot oil you can fry. If you add oil while you are marinating, the masala will come out of the oil when you fry. You can add 1 or 2 chili that have been slit. Also add some curry leaf. Let the curry leaf splutter, and now this is all ready to serve. The fish is perfectly done, and you can also notice that the masala is sticking to the fish perfectly. The beautiful fish, nicely fried with chili. Now for the pan fried fish, you can also add some chopped curry leaf, some chopped coriander. In this, you can add oil. When you're pan frying the fish, you don't need to add any oil. The oil that is there in this should be good enough. On a medium hot tawa, just add the fish pieces and let it cook well on one side before you turn it to the other side. Look at this. Even the big dance of fish, you can do it the same way. Now, turn each piece of fish carefully to the other side. Without any additional oil, your fish fingers are done perfectly. Even our everyday home sambar is ready. In this, add some more coriander and this is ready to serve. One banana leaf, but we made a partition because she says I won't let her eat.
This is mine.
Okay.
And thanks for making, our homely food.
So this is our, regularly we used to eat on Sundays, but from the lockdown we are not doing this. But every Sunday I bring the fish or prawns and we make some kind of fry, 2 varieties and eat. So today it is a fish fry, and first we make these fish fingers. So it's been some time that we have eaten this, so that craving is there.
So this would be as starter for us.
So even a fish like pomfret and all those would be very good. Even marel fish, freshwater fish, I just love this kind of thing. Extraordinary. And you also have seen how to make it deep fried by applying a little bit of flour. It gives a very nice coating. This is a shallow fried fish. Wow.
Different.
Just too good. Wow. When the papucharu with less spices sambar is getting cooked, we first fry the fish, we finish the fish, then we have then we enjoy the other stuff. We're going to do our thing, but just first let me show. So this is like a massive eating. When we eat it, we thoroughly enjoy. Actually, we are very calm when we are eating. So one more fish. This is nice and hot. With the hot food, I'm always singing. And my God. This is the charu. It's excellent. This got really full of that drumstick, the vegetable flavors without extra masalas. So, no. I have to give you this. Come on. Okay, little bit. Okay, I'm supposed to be on the other side. You got to sit on this side. Okay. So, dear friends, all I tell you is when you eat the best of the best food, you got to do ding chick. Okay, baby. Thank you very much. See you in another recipe. Till then, bye-bye.